Hair extensions can completely transform your look, adding volume, length, and style without the commitment of growing your hair out. But with so many options out there, it's tough to know which brands offer the best results. In this video, we'll review 5 of the best hair extensions on the market to help you find the perfect match for your hair goals. Whether you're looking for clip-ins or seamless tapes, these top-rated brands will leave your hair looking beautiful and natural. Let's dive into the details of each one. Kicking off our list at number 1, Luxy Hair Extensions. Luxy Hair Extensions is a popular brand known for its luxurious and high-quality clip-in extensions. Made from 100% Remy human hair, these extensions are designed to seamlessly blend with your natural hair, giving you thick, long, and voluminous locks. Luxy Hair Extensions is suitable for those who want to add instant glam to their hair routine without the commitment of permanent extensions. Key features: Luxy Hair Extensions come in a wide range of shades, including balayage and ombre options, to ensure a perfect match for your hair color. They feature a clip-in system that's easy to use, ensuring a secure fit without slipping. The extensions are made from Remy human hair, which means they can be styled and treated just like your natural hair, offering versatility in how you wear them. Benefits and usage: these extensions are ideal for adding volume and length to your hair. Simply section your hair and clip the extensions into place for an instant transformation. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or a special event, Luxy Hair Extensions give you a flawless, voluminous look. They can be curled, straightened, or styled to your liking, offering endless possibilities. Usability: one of the best aspects of Luxy Hair Extensions is their user-friendliness. The clip-in design is easy to apply, even for beginners. The clips are lightweight and comfortable, and they stay securely in place throughout the day or evening. These extensions can also be worn multiple times, making them a long-lasting and cost-effective option. Durability: Luxy Hair Extensions are known for their durability and high-quality construction. With proper care, they can last for months, maintaining their smooth texture and shine. The Remy human hair is less prone to tangling or shedding, ensuring that your extensions continue to look fresh and natural for a long time. In the second spot, we have Bellami Hair Extensions. Bellami Hair Extensions is a well-known brand that offers premium clip-in extensions, designed for women who want to achieve voluminous and long hair effortlessly. Known for their luxurious feel and high-quality materials, Bellami offers an array of colors and styles to suit various hair types and preferences. Whether you want extra volume, length, or both, Bellami Hair Extensions can help you achieve the hair of your dreams. Key features: Bellami Hair Extensions come in a variety of lengths and shades, making it easy to find the perfect match for your natural hair color. The extensions are made from 100% Remy human hair, ensuring they look natural and can be styled with heat tools. The clip-in system is secure and easy to apply, ensuring your extensions stay in place all day. Benefits and usage: Bellami extensions are ideal for anyone looking to add volume, length, or thickness to their hair. They are perfect for special occasions or for everyday wear to achieve a more polished look. To use, simply section your hair and clip in the extensions at the roots. These extensions blend seamlessly with natural hair, giving you a flawless finish. Usability: Bellami extensions are user-friendly and simple to install. Even if you're new to using clip-in extensions, you'll find the process straightforward. The clips are designed to stay securely in place, ensuring no slippage or discomfort. Bellami extensions are versatile, allowing you to style them with heat tools or keep them natural for a more relaxed look. Durability: with proper care, Bellami hair extensions can last up to a year or more. The Remy hair ensures that your extensions maintain their smoothness and shine. Additionally, they're less prone to tangling or shedding, ensuring that they remain high quality with repeated use. Coming in at number 3 is the Hidden Crown Extensions. Hidden Crown Extensions offers a unique approach to clip-in hair extensions with their halo-style design. These extensions are designed to provide natural-looking volume and length without the need for clips or tapes. The halo design sits comfortably on your head, making them one of the most comfortable and easy-to-use hair extensions available. Key features: hidden crown extensions use 100% Remy human hair, which ensures a natural, silky appearance. The halo design is adjustable, so it fits all head sizes. These extensions are available in a range of shades, including custom colors, to blend seamlessly with your hair. They offer the convenience of no clips, tapes, or bonds, making them a quick and easy solution for anyone looking to enhance their hair. Benefits and usage: hidden crown extensions are perfect for those looking for a quick and easy solution for adding volume and length to their hair. Simply place the halo over your head and adjust it to fit snugly. These extensions are lightweight, comfortable, and blend seamlessly with natural hair. They're also heat styling friendly, so you can curl or straighten them as desired. Usability: the halo design makes hidden crown extensions incredibly easy to use. You don't need to worry about clip placement or the hassle of tapes. The extensions sit comfortably on your head, and they won't cause discomfort or slippage. These extensions are perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a hassle-free experience. Durability: hidden crown extensions are made from high-quality Remy hair, ensuring they last for a long time. With proper care, they maintain their softness, shine, and natural appearance. These extensions are designed to withstand repeated use without becoming tangled or shedding, ensuring they remain in great condition for many wears. Taking our fourth spot is Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. Irresistible Me Hair Extensions is a brand that offers a variety of high-quality clip-in extensions designed to enhance your natural beauty. Made from 100% Remy human hair, these extensions are available in a wide range of lengths, colors, and textures, making it easy to find a perfect match for your hair. Key features: Irresistible Me Hair Extensions are available in various styles, including straight, wavy, and curly, so you can choose the one that best suits your natural texture. The extensions are made from premium Remy hair, which means they're soft, shiny, and tangle-free. The clip-in design ensures easy application, and the extensions blend seamlessly with your natural hair. Benefits and usage: these extensions are perfect for adding volume, length, and thickness to your hair. They're ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions. To apply, simply section your hair and clip in the extensions for an instant transformation. Whether you want sleek, straight hair or bouncy curls, Irresistible Me extensions offer versatility. Usability: Irresistible Me hair extensions are easy to use, thanks to their clip-in design. The clips are lightweight and comfortable, ensuring a secure fit that won't slip. They're suitable for beginners and can be applied in just a few minutes, giving you a natural and flawless look. Durability: these extensions are made from Remy human hair, which makes them durable and long-lasting. With proper care, they can last up to a year or more. They're resistant to tangling and shedding, and they retain their smoothness and shine over time, ensuring that your hair extensions stay beautiful for many uses. And finally, at number 5, we have Remy Naturals Clip-In Extensions. Remy Naturals Clip-In Extensions offer premium quality clip-in extensions made from 100% Remy human hair. These extensions are designed to add volume, length, and texture to your hair with a natural, seamless look. They come in a variety of shades to match your natural hair color, and the clip-in system ensures a quick and easy application process. Key features: Remy Naturals clip-in extensions are made from high-quality Remy hair, ensuring a soft, tangle-free texture. The clip-in design is secure and comfortable, making these extensions easy to apply at home. The extensions are available in various lengths and colors, allowing you to choose the perfect match for your hair. Benefits and usage: these clip-in extensions are perfect for anyone looking to add length, volume, or thickness to their hair. They're ideal for a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to formal events. To use, simply clip the extensions into your hair for an instant boost in volume and length. Usability: the Remy Naturals clip-in extensions are user-friendly and easy to apply. The clips are comfortable and lightweight, ensuring they stay securely in place throughout the day. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find these extensions easy to install. Durability, made from 100% Remy human hair, these extensions are built to last. With proper care, they can maintain their softness and shine for a long time. The Remy hair ensures that these extensions resist tangling and shedding, making them a durable option for anyone looking for long-lasting hair extensions. Whether you want to add volume, length, or both, these 5 hair extensions provide high-quality options that will leave you with gorgeous, natural-looking hair. From the luxurious clip-ins of Luxy and Bellami to the hassle-free halo design of Hidden Crown, there's an option for everyone. Each of these brands offers premium Remy human hair and user-friendly designs, ensuring that you get the best results every time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.